Hey Bucks fans, I'm Brian Schweppe with Keller Williams Realty. We've got a brand new condo listing here in historic Brewers Hill, just a short walk from all the things you love about Milwaukee, including the world famous Deer District, home of your 2021 NBA Champion Milwaukee Bucks. Bucks and 6.